Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I'm going to show you guys a dynamic warm-up. Requires no equipment, and again, just a quick little workout to get your heart pumping and get the blood flowing to your body. So make sure you guys take a look and check it out. All right, so the first workout we're going to do today is called high knees. That's simple. What you're going to do is, I like to do this, I put my arms out in front and I get my knees up until about my chest level. That is a good way to get your high knees, is get your knees to your chest. So I want you guys to start off very slow, and then when you have a chance, speed it up a little bit faster. And at the end of it, you should be running in place as high as you can, getting your knees to your chest. So that's number one. The next workout we're going to do is crisscross, which what you're going to do is have your feet shoulder width apart. You're going to place one foot across the other one, and then the other one behind, and then you're going to reverse it. Back to the basics, feet shoulder width apart, and then switch. And then go back. So you're going to crisscross your feet, making an X with your feet, back and forth. Number three, what you guys are going to do is star jump. So you're going to start with your feet together. Your arms are going to come out, and then your feet are going to come up as well. So your feet are together, your hands are here, kind of very similar to a jumping jack, except when I say go, you're going to extend your arms, and you're going to jump up, hands go out, feet go out, but then your legs are going to return back to this position at the end. So your feet are going to open and close. Okay, so this is what a star jump looks like. Feet together, hands at your side. When arms go up, legs go out as well, and then back in. Ready? Go. That is a star jump. That's number three. Each dynamic warm-up, I like to do a flexibility type workout. So what we're going to do today is just simple feet together, hands go down, touch your toes. If your hands can't touch your toes, just keep inching at it little by little. If you can't touch your toes, what I challenge you guys to do is get your palms to touch the floor as best you can. I got to still work on my flexibility with that, but definitely a challenge, so make sure you guys try that. The fifth dynamic warm-up for this warm-up activity is going to be skaters. So that's very similar to our crisscross, except this time you are going to shift your body from side to side. You're going to kick one foot out, your back foot's going to go behind it, and you're going to go to the side and then curtsy, and then you're going to switch sides again, do the same thing. So you're going to go back and forth, putting your weight on each side, kind of like you're rollerblading or ice skating. This is called skaters. Try it out. And just like I start, I always end with high knees because I feel like it's very important to get the heart pumping and blood flowing to your body. So you're going to go and put your arms out in front of you. As I mentioned to you, get it up as high as you can. Try to get your knees up to your chest as best as you can. So those are 6 different. Get ready to go. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High knees. Hands up, hands to your side. Chop as if you're running in place. Make sure you breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. All right, next one, crisscross. Great job, keep moving, do your best. Don't give up, keep trying. Next one, star jumps. This will get easier with practice. Keep going. Don't give up. Let's work out toe touches. And down, touch the floor. Great way to catch your breath. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay, ready to go. We got skaters coming up. It's our 5th workout. We only have 2 more. 2 more. You guys can do it. one. Let's go. Skater, side to side. There you go. You got it. Keep going. Work hard. Do your best. That's all that matters. You got it. Let's go. Next workout. Last one. High knees. Let's go. Everything you got. Last one. High knees. Congratulations, folks. You did it. If you have someone to high five there, high five them. You know, high five yourself. Pat yourself on the back. Great dynamic workout. As you see, I'm kind of tired. It's a great way to get your body going, blood flowing, and a great way to get your heart beating. So, great job today. Keep working hard, and I hope to see you guys soon. Take care.